In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage who can enter the meeting in Microsoft Teams. Controlling who can get into your meeting and who has to wait in the lobby is really important for keeping your session secure and organized. Whether you're running a class, a company meeting, or a client call, you don't always want people joining freely without your approval. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set those options before your meeting even starts. First, open Microsoft Teams and look over to the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Find and click on Calendar. This is where all of your scheduled meetings are created and managed. If you don't see it immediately, just make sure you're in the main Teams app, not inside a specific chat or team. Once you're in the calendar view, go to the top right and click on New Meeting. This opens the meeting creation window, where you usually add details like the meeting title, date and time, and invited participants. Before you send the invite, we're going to adjust who can enter directly and who has to wait in the lobby. In the meeting setup window, look for the meeting options related to security and permissions. Among these settings, you'll find the option labeled Who can bypass the lobby. Click on this option. This setting determines whether people join the meeting right away or if they're placed in a waiting area until you or another organizer lets them in. When you click it, you'll see different choices, such as only the organizer, people in your organization, or everyone, depending on your account and admin settings. Choose the option that best fits the type of meeting you're hosting. For example, if you're meeting with external guests and want to control exactly when they join, you might require everyone to go through the lobby. If it's an internal meeting with trusted colleagues, you might allow people in your organization to bypass the lobby automatically. After you've selected your preferred option, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button in the meeting window and click